Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a Jupiter Red. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has the AMG package with the AMG exterior and interior, 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, night package with black accents on the front, side, and rear of the vehicle, diamond-style grille, black MB-Tex interior with a salt pattern trim, panel sunroof, CLA 250 4MATIC badging. With the tailgate, we got a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, convenience package with auto dimming mirrors, garage door openers, media display, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, turn wheel for your infotainment center. This CLA has 26,633 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.